Hello guys, today we prepare a clafouti of cherries. It's a French cake made with cherries. Because my friend Mikea, they give me the opportunity to cook in his kitchen, he like fruit tart. So now we make a fruit cake, something different. Let's see if he like it. For this recipe you need 650 gram of cherry, 200 ml of milk, 3 eggs, half glass of Porto wine or brandy, up to you, 90 gram of flowers, 90 gram of sugar. Now we should remove the stone from the cherries. Usually the original recipe have the stone too, but I want to be sure that nobody broke some teeth, so we will remove it. After we put the cherries in already baking pot, and we should put the eggs with the sugar, we whisk. After we add the flour, at the end the milk and the brandy, always I forgot the name. And after we will bake our cake. The baking pot you should oil with the butter and sugar and flour. Let's do it. So very easy. You take an empty bottle, a stick, I will use the one for the sushi. You put the cherry here on the top and you push and the stone fall inside. You can put directly in the pot where I have oiled the pot with the butter and put the sugar. When all the cherries are ready, we can put the dough. We prepare the dough, we put directly. We cook in the oven preheated at 165 Celsius degree if you have the fan on. If you have the static oven, 180 Celsius degree for 45-50 minutes. I forgot to mention also vanilla sugar or vanillin. After 60 minutes at 160 Celsius degree, our cake is ready. The oven with the fan, remember. So now we should wait that the temperature cool down, and after with the icing sugar we will taste it. Spectacular. Okay guys, remember to subscribe to the channel, to leave me a like, to watch all the other videos and to share this video with your friends. Bye bye. Thanks again to IKEA.